Liquid damage. Imagine sitting at your desk, studying hard for your IT classes, and you accidentally knock a glass of water right onto your laptop keyboard. It is a moment of pure panic. When tackling liquid damage questions on the CompTIA A+2 2012-01 exam, you must understand exactly how water destroys electronics and what the absolute first step of professional troubleshooting is. To secure your perfect score of 900, I will keep the technical explanation very clear and easy to follow. First, we need to understand the invisible enemy. Pure water actually does not conduct electricity very well. The real danger comes from the microscopic minerals and salts hidden inside tap water, coffee, or soda. When this liquid touches a live motherboard, those minerals create a fast, unintended bridge between two metal components. This is called a short circuit. The electricity travels down the wrong path, instantly burning out delicate microchips. Furthermore, even if the device survives the initial spill, the liquid leaves those minerals behind as it dries. These minerals mix with the oxygen in the air to create rust and green corrosion, which will slowly eat away the copper traces on the circuit board over several weeks. Because of this fast-moving destruction, your absolute first priority as a technician is to cut off the power. If the device is plugged into the wall, unplug it immediately. If it is a smartphone or a laptop, hold down the power button until it forces a hard shutdown. If the battery is easily removable, take it out instantly. You must never, ever try to turn the device back on just to see if it still works. Sending electricity through a wet USB port or motherboard is a guaranteed way to permanently kill the device. Now, we must talk about the biggest myth in mobile device repair: putting a wet phone in a bag of rice. On your certification test, and in the real professional world, you must never do this. Rice does not magically absorb water from deep inside the phone. Instead, fine rice dust gets packed into the charging port and speaker grills, making the problem much worse. Also, using a hot hairdryer is a terrible idea, because it can melt the internal plastic and physically blow the liquid deeper into the device. Instead, how do you officially prove to a customer or a warranty department that liquid damage actually happened? You must look for the liquid contact indicators. LCI, these are tiny, chemical stickers placed inside the device by the manufacturer. Usually, they are hidden inside the headphone jack, inside the charging port, or directly on the internal motherboard. Normally, an LCI is completely white or silver. But the exact second it touches liquid, it permanently turns bright pink or dark red. If you see a red LCI, the warranty is completely voided. To properly fix liquid damage, a professional technician will completely disassemble the device, dry the parts naturally, and use a soft brush with 99% isopropyl alcohol to safely scrub the sticky minerals and green corrosion off the motherboard. The heavy alcohol displaces the water and evaporates perfectly clean without leaving a residue. By understanding the chemistry of a short circuit, rejecting the rice myth, prioritizing immediate power loss, and locating the LCI stickers, you will confidently answer these hardware emergency questions on your test.